Hi, welcome to the dry Chunchi Fall. This is a dry Chunchi Fall, very less water now. Otherwise, water used to be filled. A big area. See, this is in Karnataka. This is the crowd. This is our crowd. That's my wife. That's all my friends. They're all going down towards the water to take a look very closely. It's unfortunate for us to visit in this time in the month of April, since the waters are dry. So we shall visit next when the waters would be full during the monsoon or say the rainy season. We're just going downwards. I am also going down. Yeah. Careful. Kasana puro se sawabo na, sawble leng nai.